ho ena sabre yade ahodo ene sciatica no otu ase ede ama de hye wo South Africa eno ti se wo pese otu o sciatica yade no ase e wo South Africa appointment number no enso enim 0244915116 0244915116 na omo ena aso yasene na no pay natumi ede kase ede ebrewo edi amejeso ene ose ya aboaji ofosuo yanye bre na yenkotie kase ni mu ensemu en enka meya yese wo man Ghana obi apɛ wo man eyie se wo man ni mpuntuo ene ne nkankro ebetumi akoso na obi ani wo pese wo man no emonchim elsa Ghana fo yentumi entra o man mu ema yani enye kura ne sa yonti no face the country protest here a panipa wodi animu eye Oliver Baker Vamawo na sabre no enam yensa otusi ho se face the country no na empokura no galamsen sensem no yentu ase no eno mu na prosifo kire se ekwan ye omofa so eye sa demonstration no eno entwa yie kwakwakwakwa eno nti no magana mamra no kire se sa mrantie we omobu mra so ne sa yonti no mrantie yemfo omkotu kukum na watwemienu na 8 October omumepiem na omumeka asem papa bi evanchero oman esanse utumi emfa oman no enwura topre na empo Ghana no emra wom obi ahemra se Ghana no so ayobi dia odi so eno tie nhwe ema democracy oman ye di so no ye ma obi entieti animu na mrantie kopiemu ewo court no Vamawo and the lawyer no ekire se omukoda akukum kura posifo anto aduane amawo mu ani ena empokura no se yade hawo mu eno ti no ama wo mu eho ekire wo mu yepa enti no nwukokọọtụ okoro no Vamawo wantumi ankokọọtụ hobi eno ti no so ne lawyer no so eka kire court se police hospital no akade bia yede esa yade no ebi sheda eni ho eno ti no enka ebeya ka yembe wo mu na omutumi emeso omo yade eno mu na court kire se ye be wo mo pa de lalai ye me wo mo eno ti no sabre mranti a wo mo ede wo mo pe ekoye demonstration na wode etia se galamse ene o man mu anwoma enye enti no wasukokroko abai fill the country no sabre o makoda kukum eno nti o mo baba be piem e wo court 8 October enna omobesa be pieko emu ewo courtro no momeka asem papa bi emfankyere o man Ghana na sansemi enna country director Emma Amnesty International Ghana Genevieve ma me no de nanu atum na asem a wo kan nyina ne se se yahwe se omra no be yadwuma paade a ene na kyese o man no ne atia aposifo ade boban no omo behwe na omo ama emu atumi ayire na wo kako nanim no ene o se kwan ye fa aso che mrante no enso ani nyefe eno ti se kokoba ne se se Ghana mamra no se kwan omo fa aso che nyefe paade a wo se etimi compensate samrante no.
All around the world, the right to protest is under attack, and that is why Amnesty International launched its campaign Protect the Protest to engage with security forces and protesters alike on the right to protest. Several Ghanaians took to the streets on 22nd and 23rd September to demand the government to do something about the crucial issue of galamsey illegal mining, which is currently dirtying our water bodies and causing serious health issues in several communities. That is why Amnesty International Ghana has come out to condemn the current unlawful actions by the Ghana police regarding the detained protesters of the Stop Galamsey Now and the Reoccupy Julobi House demonstration. Both protesters and non-protesters are being held in several police stations across the country.
Any aye kotie ye aye country director Emma Amnesty International Ghana Genevieve ena ye kotie ye no na sansem kro ya ena franka tu former NDC amanyokuro no wadi oman so epen John Dramani Mahama enso anwampam jene ono so se asem se wanka bia ne ho ento no enu ti omapani dada se kwan ye omofa so no omoche nkro na yi kwa bi so entwa yie enu ti se ye hwe Ghana mamra no de a ne yahwe ni yie na enkonkoba ne se obi betumi ayeye kire se opeso oman etumi tumpon na no so ya baba che wo mo no eno ti asotwe ya de amasa ankoda wi no anu odene papa wodwene ho a kwa bi so wonte ase eno mu na deputy minister Emma attorney general justice honorable Alfred Tua Yeboa enso edi nsem bi atudwa se o kan sa so a ni nye ne kwa so a.
Yesterday when the case were called, but 2 days ago, in the matter that we are alleging that there's a pregnant woman, before the court, counsel for that accused person never made it known to the court that one of his clients was a pregnant. But we're taking the step to verify from the police whether indeed in the statement that accused person volunteered, she indicated that she was pregnant. The answer is no. It is the duty of counsel for a pregnant accused person to make it known to the court. And the court, in deciding whether to remand or grant bail, may take into consideration that factor. Even in the advanced world, are we saying that they don't have the power to remand or grant bail? So Amnesty International and all those who are making those points.
Any aye kotie ye deputy minister ma attorney general justice honorable Alfred Tua Yeboa ne na ye kotie ye no na wo bia nim se odwumani na katua efata no ena ntwanam bi so a eduru ba bi a ye de ma adwumayefo no eduru ba bi adwumayefo ani wo ho pa na se kokoba ne se wa ye adwuma wie na mu akatua asem ani mu nwanam ekoba se ye mfama wo a eduru ba bi a na ukoya na wo ba na wani abre pa enkoda no so abie suku a ye tuto busuo ni nyina eyesikasem eno mu na mochire adwumayefo wo mu a ye fro mu samale wo mu ani abre papa ni nyina ne se enwanam ene omusikasem bi a ese aban edema wo mu incentives ye mfama wo mu ne sa yonti no wo mu yo madwene se wo mu kɔ strike ye na strike wo mu kɔ no wanhwa ene efunu babo ape so wo mochira hodo wo Ghana nyina ya nhwe yi kankan beba kankan ba so a yade betumi atiesim eno ti mochire mafo no eni kwase edi wo mu ho agorokora na sabre no trofo pani ema mochire workers association ono ne Richard Kofi Jordan na asem wo kan nyina se strike no adwobrɛwo ne workers ye anase na adwumayefo no anase ni police-fo no omfa strike no ento ho efri se Labour Commission ni omo adi nkomo ne katasisie se omo besiesie omo na omo ayomu good na se omo hwe nabi na se ensiesie no ene akrokro no omo ka no amaso a ene omesan akọ strike ye sa na waka no Kofi Jordan trofo ma mochire workers association yentie no.
You have seen the effects, one on those who have lost their loved ones. Almost every mortuary is empty. We are Ghanaian citizens. We are law-abiding human beings. We believe in our country. We are here serving God and country. The most important part is that we have rescinded our decision not to punish anybody tomorrow. And that is positive sign. Every agitation comes to build democracy, especially when it is that of a positive one. Fighting for freedom is good for this country, and I think we must all build on it. What is happening is that yesterday we met the government team, which is our employer. They wanted 2 months, ending of October, to resolve these matters.
Trofo pani Emma Mochire Workers Association Samalefo no de otworo de ma wo Kofi Jordan ne na yekoti ye no na the Pharmaceutical Society of Ghana sankrofo we no omo na ye nduro Emma Ghana for se yade a yenya binom ene enti di madedi achewa ye o madedi aduro bi tata so for onu bi ahobeto pa ene Ghana wo bi aye ne ho doctor ene uti yo ya paracetamol no wakwa akotobi Pharmaceutical Association of Ghana sankrofo we wo mo na ye nduro Emma Ghana for nom na omo botaye a omo asi ediaso omo ani so nyina ne se omo hwe so omo beye nduro na nansen kura no se de omo emu asi ayire no na koma tinduro no so se de be ya Ghana de hye bia yade a obetumi anya sika na ne okoto aduru kakra bia no ho betumi asa no na ne ho atumi ato no na omo hawo kakra omo call general meeting afi we mu no omo de ato omampani ene na pamfo anim ne se yankoti aduro bra ya habai eyesika na omo dwumadie mu no omo be ye ndro so a ene fa do no a ensuo ene omo ye water is life enso so no sabre no galamsey no say ye nsuo pa eno ti say ya hwe ye na illegal mining galamsey fo no said omo say ye nsuo ene ye kwaye no ya hwe ne ya stop omo a ebeye kakra no ensuo kura no omo de beye ndro e de ama Ghana fo no age say ye kra e de free ama hoduro bi so ansa no matumi aye nyuru na panipa na president ye ema society eye Samuel Eko Donko wodwumadi na se no okasa kakra.
Only one of the greatest threats to public health we have ever confronted. The activities of illegal miners, in particular, have devastated our water bodies, making it increasingly expensive for pharmaceutical companies to treat water for the manufacturing processes. If this environmental degradation continues, we may soon face the grim reality of importing water to support our local manufacturing industry.
President Emma Pharmaceutical Society of Ghana nene ena yekotie ye no na Dr. Insiasade wono na ye presidential advisor Emma Head say ye kan apomden sam dia wona tu aban no for say yin say fa ha go left go right Dr. Insiasade on na ye sa adwuma ni nyina eno ti dwuma die na sene na Dr. Insiasade wo ho Oshawo bose aban na from the bia na illegal man no wasiano.
Laws which are in this country, we will make sure that those laws apply. But the fight against galamsey or mining or illegal mining is a holistic fight. Everybody should be on board. So we are calling on everybody, including all the political parties, where the major one, to put their signature under a document.
Presidential advisor Emma Apomden Asuaye no Dr. Anthony Insiasare ne ena yekotie ye no na kuwawuma hene berema safo twenebu akodua okodwumade na se na okosi krobia wrefi kotoko hene asantema wuranan ono so kasa kakra.
It is not only unfair but counterproductive to withhold or delay their rightful earnings. Zero. I strongly urge the government to prioritize and expedite the immediate payment of these pharmaceutical officers. Their services have been rendered. It is time they receive what is owed to them.
Kumauma yene bema safo twenebu akodua ono ena kosi krobia wrefi kotoko hene anan nene ena yekotie ye no na yeba wo man Ghana mu a yaka akoso bonkania obi ade nani kosi electricity company of Ghana so ECG obi anim se nkania asem de omo na ehwe na sabre ya mena okasai David Asamoah ono na sabre mpanifo se wonko na ECG adwumakuo no wonko na wonko hweso as managing director ema ECG adwumakuo no samsem wonyina edadi wa bra board chairman Emma ECG adwumakuo no Alexander Afenyo Markins ono ene da sansebo nyina edi.
And the entire management of ECG. We received the news of MD's resignation, and we met this afternoon at an emergency meeting. The board accepted the resignation of the managing director, and Mr. David Asamoah has been nominated to act as a managing director, pending decisions of the sole shareholder of the company, which is the government.
Eni aye kotie ye board chairman Emma ECG adwumakuo no Alexander Afenyo Markins nene ena ye kotie ye no na Franka tufo ma wo suruko kuroko amanyokuo no wonoa ena ye vice president ye Emma wo man Ghana Dr. Alhaji Mamudu Babumia ne ntuabo e wo Western region ena sabre no ne sem abo kan nyina ne se ekwa bi so no galamsey no nya se anyewu na so ekwan a ye fa so eye no no eno ene duru baabi a na wanhwe ya ese yensuo na ese ye nkwaye no eno ti no se Ghana fo nya ne mugidie no oto abade mano a galamsey no esan say Ghana adwuma ho odin ntino obehwe na wabɔ ho ban na empokura no certificate ya na license ye a ye de ma galamsey fo no wobehwe na district level otumi de aduru ho na enwoma konkai
mining small scale mining no if done properly a mining power. There should be no doubt about it. Adia Peno is responsible and sustainable small-scale mining. If you Ghana, the gold exports are 50% almost of Ghana's exports if we small-scale mine. 1 million jobs is in the small-scale mining sector. And Adia maybe Umampenia, Adia maybe it's a member small-scale mining sector, no? A small-scale mining sector to make sure they do responsible and sustainable mining.
Near your court ye vice president wano ene tu franka ede ama wasruko kroko ama nyuku no yentua kasiano na nana kwadru chrefo awotoso emiensa wano ene ye himan ehene wodwumadie no ase no ode adesrade eto franka tufo ama wasruko kroko ama nyuku no vice president anim se dabo ase edwa no kofo apenso ebesi ne market yenye na dawruma omra meyema no
aponsato loro kan kwan bia ya kwa enti ebeso se mo mo na sambre no woni wa ba no be ba no mo ni ko e kwa no simaye na mo nje e kwa no ko kwa maye kwa na de me kan se contract for na ya mo de kwa ni ma wo no wo mo nye kwa ni le so mo de contract for no mo de kwa so mo sa first go to na ambe no ko ta no gba be yan fo ni e kwa no so ni e de mo bala de so sa mo su e yan sa ko be de kwa ni e tutu na kana ka se sai e je me sina mo contract for na mo de kwa ni ma wo no mo fa ma contract papa for no one machine papa no e na mo fa ma wo obi o hokra asompe ni na so ye ba ni ti no ni ama no contract so ko ni kan samre no de wa pa ni de sa ni nya ni fi ho na contract papa for na wo ma ko share ma no mo fa kan na ma wo
enia ye kotie ye eye nana chrefo otoso emiensa heman hene ene na ode na asem eto omampani abedi akire enim no yento akase ne so na yemfama mo a emrahye bedwani ema dehye wo elembele abato mpesu aso eno ewo western region osan ye deputy minority leader Mr. Emmanuel Amakofi Bua na asem a wo kan a wo kopiem ewo Esiama Nursing and Midwifery Training College na asem a wo kan nyina ene se adesua de eye na nursing training college for school for omo yire omo no munsua de na empokura na omo mpa yese se omo wie school yi a ye betumi afa wo omo na omo tumi aye adwuma na bosome so omo tumi age omo akatua na cheso omo ye permanent workers ye na omo nyi omo ni mfiri eduru ba bi allowance sem no so no na aban ni wo omo ho so obehwe wo omo na nyoma konkai e de ama wo omo.
Somebody told me, and I said the first thing I want to do is to find out what you got. The candidate of the MPP says that you have all received your alawa. It's not true. He said you have received your alawa. They said they paid you and they didn't give you extra. So the man is lying. You are telling us the vice president is lying. I'm not surprised. So you have not received your alawa. So let me ask you, first of all, between this alawa that will not come and a promise that you are going to have a guaranteed employment when you live here, which one do you like? Employment with good jobs. That's what Professor Jenana Opoku-Agyemang and President John Mahama are bringing to you.
Adoti sabre no mrahye bedwani ma de hye wo elembele abato mpesu aso na asema wo kanyina ne se alawa no muntua entumonto aba mfantia wo mo na mututia wo so ayeso ye ba mfa nhyɛ mu tirim sɛ yɛba bɛpɛ adwuma na yɛde ama mo na moyi wani afra lawa no so aha ene bre bema yɛde anopa no nsia kasie yɛde mu asie na samufoɔ ɛyɛ asante yɛbo a Benedict ye akoso asomu aso dela menua ba no ono ne chinchin fidie no ede ma me na akɔ fidie dem so Azuka o Nigeria ni ono so ne chinchin fidie no okɔ Sompa TV so akɔ ba jesi na dawroma na media twagu ɛwɔ so no na me so de akoi wo mahene yadubu ache waba beduku mase wo che wiase man nyina ache eno ti no e manakɔ abasoso me ameje breka kakase ede ma wo osɛ ya aboaji fosuo 19 fosuo eno ti ye kwaje mu no ene na me kwa santemapon ayi wo ho isi mi nyini nti ayi ne ya ne invite me lord oti wotunsuom ne na nawu ese me konam kɔkye ano kama ye mamu nyina mu ne ti a ade na
21st clinic a sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo sire mu na fa wo nansia besi